Welcome to MiniTales world. Welcome. Let's sing and play. Seasons change in a lovely way. Summer's hot, bright, sunny day. We eat ice cream, hip hooray. On the beach we run and play. Cool drinks keep the heat away. Rainy days, the clouds are gray. Splashing puddles all the way. Look, a rainbow bright and clear. Colors shining far and near. Winter's cold, snowflakes fall. Make a snowman big and tall. Wear your sweater, hat, and glove. Winter fun we really love. Springtime comes, flowers bloom. Butterflies dance, goodbye gloom. Water flowers, watch them grow. Springtime magic starts to show. 4 seasons, fun and cheer. Which one's your favorite this year? Four seasons, fun and cheer. Which one's your favorite this year?
See you soon on MiniTales World! Don't forget to subscribe and watch more fun stories!